This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Power BI Pro or Premium and an Azure subscription with an Azure Maps account. Once you have that, create or reuse an Azure Maps resource and copy the primary key and endpoint. You will need these values in Power BI. Next, open Power BI Desktop and check options. Enable any relevant preview features for Azure Maps if your build requires it. This sets up credentials and permission context, so Power BI can authenticate and render the map tiles correctly. Now you bring Azure Maps into your report. Install the Azure Maps visual if it is not already present, then insert it on the canvas. Once the visual is placed, open File Options Global Azure Map Settings and paste the primary key and endpoint you copied earlier so Power BI can authenticate map rendering. After authentication, bind your dataset location fields, latitude/longitude or categorical location, and choose layers like points, heat map, or bubble. These steps control rendering, performance, and the visual context for users. Finish by styling and optimizing. Adjust map styles, labels, zoom defaults, and pop-up content to make data readable. Once done, tune performance, limit point counts, enable clustering, or pre-aggregate data on the server to keep the map responsive. Publish to the Power BI service, then test in the workspace and shared apps so viewers see the same behavior. If the map fails to render, make sure the Azure Maps key is valid, the endpoint is reachable, and no firewall or CORS policy blocks the Power BI service from accessing Azure Maps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.